Sanibonani guys, how guys? Yay. Ngibhalela usisi usesilese polisi kuya ngibhalela awushozi berili student ne and saphikwa up because of berili one of those a student. So and then satshona this other routine ngafuna ukujampisa. So the project na program. Yeah, such one this other program a big like run abantu bangaphandle like outside the country. So because of this a student global uthi like lay project like besthola like a stipend is each and every month. Or I was shows okay saqala at 3 months 6 months kwaba mnandi uthi okay one day we decided ukuthi si host a party ngoba sisiyazana nalama student lawa esiwule program yabona ngifuna ukukhuluma ngale program too much ngiphuma kiyo yabona uthi siyabe sisiyazana vele nama girls nama guys, and then we decided ukuthi no let's hire like indawo like a house, and then sithole senze a house party. Like celebrate like our achievement ukuthi sesila last corner bona. Okay, I was choosing kube ukuthi amajita at okay, you girls will plan it, yeah, planani stuff like that. We will invite ama guys, then nabo bazo invite ama girls wabo. Uthi like sonke siku program from different parts of the world, and I was choosing what I can tell you ukuthi it was a great opportunity for a black child. Yeah, but so okay, very funny like the most expensive house go the suburbs and a dope house like because of something huge cause money nalioni kilobon. Okay, I was choosing to be like that. Very organize my girls, food, drinks, everything. It's organized. I also just continue vele organize la ngavele lifike ama outfit abe ready, the hairstyle ibe sharp, makeup ibe on point, everything ibe on point. Kubiziwe abantu aba invite vele la ngavele lifike uthi vele sihire nama waitress, hire vele ne bartender, uthi even le chef re hire because of it's not a problem on our side. Uthi okay, I was choosing vele la ngavele lifike kube mnandi lithi si invite what I was just kube mnandi kuze abantu esingabazi uthi nabantu aba kule influential business nabantu asibabona kuma TV ama mini celebrities nama celebrities uthi babe khona uthi vele kube I party vele edope, but ama requirements kube ukuthi asifuna ama cell phone. Mawufika cell phone bayifaka ku container, they lock it, they give you the key, but wona bayayibe should meaning ukuthi bebangafuni ukuthi this thing ilikiwe out, bangafuna ukuthi seyizithole seyigijima kuma social media, even if nalama celebrities amanye like ama married men ngilobona enabantu aba very influential lana emphakathini. So like bebadumelana like li role yareni ngilobona hayi cash sharp vele kuphathiwe uthi si invite ne stripper. What I was just like no holy party yabantu abahole yabaholo ngilobona bongasi party yabantwana enyana like bekumnandi uthi bekumnandi until sebakhipha the white powder grandpa layaza ngithi grandpa le bayifaka emakhaleni uthi bekumnandi sekuvela nalamajita bakhipha nama grandpa stuff like that. Urashos musingibona ukuthi yabona la ngathi sizongena enkingeni yabona uliseko ngaleso sikhathi uthi but kisinyaltaba cause homonati DJ betha music homonati banyana kali mini skirt banyana kali long extensions banyana kamirire mipila banyana kali hey uthi like kuyaphithizela kumnandi awushows enake umuntu ophethe phone like ke rabuledisana ngabotsebotse ukubona ra socialize yabona uthi kuvele this other guy on approach meaning what this guy who approach Olesego what this handsome guy with voice a deep utokhathili kulobona le daye yabo le badaye bayenze in or voice a deep abulela very soft uthi asho athi mina ever since ngifile ngibone wena kuphela, and I told myself angeke ngize ngkhona uhamba ngakakhulumanga nawe. What I was just habulela lena like same time like kulona athi uyabona like ube nomuntu ube nespark nje same time uthi nami like I felt leyo ntelo uthi guy vele angibuze igama athi is it possible singami khona sikhona ukukhuluma la ngamsindo khona. Aman uthi awushozi ngithi sure no problem uthi ngibeke idrink yami phansi libe ngiyiphuza vele ngihambe ngingakaphathanga isiphuza uGayi vele sihambe sikhuluma uGayi vele angitshela ukuthi no he's a businessman in what awushozi lelela ngaphela bekunabantu abaserious celebrities ama-influencers aserious bonale batho bachelede uthi phela wazi ukuthi sima-student but sivela from different parts of the world abantu bayawazi abantu ba-connected abantu ba-connected kahle kahle this thing besicabanga ukuthi iyoba incane kanti iyoba inkulu kulabona uthi phela sahare even a-security the way like berebahlo ibidope kahona uthi angitshela ukuthi i-businessman in stuff like that ibhizinisi yakhe uyenza ngaphandle inside South Africa ngaphandle kwe-South Africa stuff like that uthi angichaza uthi like benganandaba nama-details because of like alcohol imo-systeming so akinantaba yakulela taba tsingathi okay ngithi okay sizokhuluma-ke ngifuna ujayiva athi hayi man let's talk antini like am I boring to you uthi abuze uGayi uthi ugela athi no man it's just ukuthi sizokhuluma kusasa because now I just want to enjoy the moment kulabona uthi uGayi uthi angibambe isandla athi ngiyakuthanda ngicela ukuthi ungiphe opportunity ngikhulume nawe ngiyakuthanda ungamoshile umoment esinayo yabona uthi ugela uthi okay nginayo that thing ne uthi like manje sengimuphi attention uthi uGayi athi hayi mana smooth away maybe somanyana lapha next to the gate or somewhere la sikhona ukukhuluma khona freely yabona uthi ugela uthi at the back of my mind ithi hayi man wasingena endlini maybe siku one of the rooms but uthi ngicabanga ukuthi what if lo muntu lona kusumuntu alright kulobona ukuthi ngase ngibe naye ku space esivalekile or awushozi ngivume ngithi okay asambe ke soma ngaphandle kwegate sikhona ukukhuluma kahle ke because I can see ukuthi wena uyiga ukuthi singakhuluma yabona uthi awushozi vele kube ukuthi siyaphuma vele sima ngaphandle uthi ngisama ngimoto umuntu vele akhulume leyo ngifuna ngakhona leyo ngithanda khona and umngani wakhe mina ukuthi one of lama colleagues wabo umtshele ngayo ukuthi there is this girl ubabli unjani uthi like ungibrife ngawe like I love aura yakho I love the way you socialize ngakhona nabantu ubuntu bakho and stuff like that yabaze ngithi mabafuna ukuthi banjani uyabona so ugela uthi ayisihlale vele lapha yena uthi sikhashayana uthi ngithi sizokhuluma mara kusasa man asibele ngaphakathi and sekulate and sila ngaphandle man it's not safe ukuthi ngaba sestradeni nawo ngicela nokubona kanti what's your name uthi angitshela athi my name is Sam ngala deep voice uthi ngijabule ukwazi Sam tomorrow umuntu obekhuluma ngayo ukuthi uzokuphi contact number yami then you call me shows okay Sam vele avo uthi vele sibele ngaphakathi endlini uthi vele sibele inside vele the house hayi iparty vele continue kube mnandi uthi ngihambe vele ngiziphuzele kube mnandi uthi ngizidansele stuff like that kube mnandi awushozi up until vele ekseni uthi ekseni everyone vele hambe everyone athola amafoni wabo ungabi nokuthi khona ifoni elahlekile bathola amafoni wabo back uthi ngizilalele because of khalerena the whole night uthi ngivuye around 2-3 uthi vele mangivuka mangilight ifoni yami ngithole vele i-miss call from this number ngingayazi uthi vele ngimfonele uthi ngithole i-number ngithole ama-miss call from this number ubani athi no do you remember Sam last night uthi Sam lo bengimina athi yeah that's me so ngifuna ukucheck ukuthi right ulele njani right na uthi ukele ngithi hayi ngicela uvuka kahle so sizokhuluma sengi-right uthi Sam athi okay no problem uthi around 5 late angifonele futhi Sam ngitshela ukuthi bengithi ngiyakucheck ukuthi right na uthi ngimtshela ukuthi hayi ngi-right don't worry uthi Sam athi ngicela ukuthi ngikubone sihlangane like together siyi-2 yabona ngicela ukuthi uze uyi-1 yabona ngizokhipha out for a date you can name the place or the restaurant mina ngizoza ugela uthi ngicabanga ukuthi plus ngiborekile yazi asambe sekukai restaurant yabona isikhathi so uzongithola lapho hayi uthi uGayi vele angabe nenkinga athi okay ngizoza ke athi tonight awushosi or kube ingwanyana hore wa tsoga wa tlhapa i-prepare ka ko dating le mang le Sam the guy that I met last night hayi vele uthi sivele ngihambe vele uthi mangifika vele laphana vele ngithole already semvele angimeli yokulobona uthi vele afike vele angihage how are you angicabuze vele la on the cheeks kulobona uthi hayi vele ngoma ngithi I'm fine and how are you uthi vele sikhulume what the conversation bedile steamy uthi bekumnandi. I enjoyed myself. Umuntu uthi like beyakhuluma ngayo, we are no longer talking about business school and stuff like that. Uthi vele besikhuluma vele bakhuluma ngayo as an individual nami vele linayabulela kanina things like that. Ukana kuyo nakina boyfriend like the only thing we concentrate on too much is school work. Uthi ngila ngikhona because of bengithanda vele ukufunda bengumuntu vele nencwadi bengasi umuntu nabafana uthi awushows abulelele naso like ngiyabuza umzimba wami like uyathikilisha kilona uthi and usem lelo sikhathi vele bengimbheka ngelihlo alcohol uthi manje ngimbheka ngelihlo normal natural or abuthi umfine umutholo obali deep voice uthi musima kakhulu lapho uthi ngimbheki onama pink lips what else chose moshemani ufine or ufine in every way to fine and down to earth uthi semvela ngitshela ukuthi no I'm going away to a business trip to Italy, so if ever you want to take along you can ngakupha ama details and ungangipha ama details wakho and then ubook i-flights hambe together and then ubone the business engiyenzayo. Or I was just I've never been outside the country, I've never let alone Italy. Uthi ngithi usirasi Tia ngizohamba I've got a business trip ngiyalapho. So when if ufuna like if you do have a passport as arrange kusese early ukuthi usikhona ukuthola izinto zakho documentation then ngizokhona uhamba nawe if when you're willing. Awusithi or say no more ngihamba nawe ngicela ukuthi nami ngihambe nawe but I was just from there afuna ama details wami the what like for visa and stuff like that. I was just uthi ngimuphi vele everything as kumuntu wampela umusha uthi okay behamba like in a couple of months to the trip as Italy uthi from there kube ukuthi mina nasemseba kuphi riba sesathandana phela uthi hayi mina nosem kube ukuthi vele each and every time vele mangishayisa usemvele uyeza uzongibona usemuphathela ama chocolate like Sam, he's just a romantic guy or the timepieces jande kitshengjona ujewelry uthi like expensive things uyangithengela and kube ngathi like izinto ezincane nje for yena ngiyabona uthi kube ngathi uthenga into yase Mr Price nje cheaply 100 rand but ukuthi into like it cost ama thousands the way animal ngakhona eningamthusi. What I was just one of my friends angitshela athi ngitshela ukuthi Lesego ungakhohle ukuthi why we are here uthi vele uthi like ngicela ngathi ngiya-irritate ukuthi lo muntu lo ngathi wayengathi ufuna uba noma uthi each and every time angitshela ungakhohle ukuthi uzeleni la because I can see ukuthi you shift i-focus yakho focus on something else and we are here because represent abazali ukuthi kusasa sibe nekusasa elihle. Athi ngiyacela my friend don't uthi from that day kitsunyana go friend because I can see what friend unali that idlulela lamone kulobona uthi okay esikolweni like last khona kule program eskiyo I know everything or I'm just one of those kids aba you know what fast thinker, they know like I know each and everything eriyetsang bye or I didn't know what to pick so nekitswere I want ikima or I was just a driver there or like along the way kumnandi besha music kumnandi othi sonke lesikhathi mina no guy asangisi ukamare we didn't wasahamba masifika lapha in this beautiful place angengizungeka this beautiful places ayakiyo or I was choosing why thinking about heaven eco safari about heaven nengarneli kodeng or I was choosing this guy made sure ukuthi ngithola one of the best everything that I need it's the best or safika laphayana sahamba safika vele ngafika mina endlini ngithi ngifuna ukurefresha because it was a long drive ngifike vele ngizirefreshe uthi vele ngifike vele ngiziphonse embedeni okay naye vele aziphonse embedeni next to me ngithi mina ngikhathele okay naye ibona mama tired ngiyabona or I was choosing the touch yaka uthi uthi davele angibambe or I was choosing motho antshwara skantlohela motho antshware or motho antshwara asantlohela it was it was the first night, like the first time mina naye siya kule nkonzo yabona abantu abadala. Or I was choosing, everything was so perfect. For the first night it was perfect. Uthi kube ukuthi vele saphuma vele ekamareni sesiyaphuza vele indoors shamka lenzera bogetsele le TV. But I was just umuntu angibheke athi when I want to marry you. Ngiyakuthanda shem, I cannot hide it. Ngiyakuthanda. Or I was choosing our relationship yaqala lapho yabamnandi. Or I was choosing yabamnandi the whole weekend in the whole land ngohodimani tweng. Uthi sabuya vele uthi masibela the following weekend uthi athi kimi wesizikhiphe man, there is this place for ukuthi mina nawe siyibone together. Or I was choosing beke sahane sale cause like each and every weekend, the whole weekend of adventure in our relationship. Or we went to this place mo angasi ukuthi ngiyabona there is this place la ukuthi kamareni la khona kune glass so khona ubona like then ngapha la kune glass khona kunama lion athi like they went to that place. Or I was choose that place fella, it's not cheap. Or I was just, we went there uthi masifika lapha ngithole kunama rose petals embedeni. I was just like much odi prepared kuna the gift kompetong. Or I was just nongathi uzopropose that night. Or I was just umuntu angitshela ukuthi uyangithanda ever since ngizempilweni yakhe diludi tsama ya shapu and one rata. So like unyakung ashora ukuthi manginice ngizoyiphila a good life. So kahle he's planning to introduce me to abazali bakhe because of uyafeel ukuthi ngathi uthole isoulmate yakhe. I was just mangala ukuthi lo muntu lona musakusidala sihlala. So I sibona nabazali athi no, if you don't mind, before siya go our trip to Paris bengicela nje ukuthi ngihambe ngikuthathe ngikubise ubona abazali bami before singahamba soyi-2. At least nami ngazi the side of your family, ngeke ngithathe out of the country ungazi abazali bami ungazi family yami nami ngingazi family yakho. If anything happens ngizoreporta kubani na. Uthi okay, like yenze isense kimi ukuthi okay, he's only trying to protect me, or he's only trying to know ukuthi if ever ngingacollapse nginaye angacontact ubani. Uthi okay ngithi no problem. I was just say we enjoyed our weekend. Sa enjoy uthi sadlule nyana isikhashanyana. Brothers was like no nakuela hore ngeke ubonisa abatswadi bakhe ifihlile. So bengathanda ukuthi before ngiyokhomisa abazali bami, show me like the side of your family qala, and then sihambe ke sobona abazali bami if you don't mind. Or I was just vele ngithi okay mina ikithi ba strict, but I will try to find a way ukuthi ngawulethi ngithi uma mama azokubona, but my mother was strict nje ngazani indaba zomjolo stuff like that. But I was just ngikhulume nomama mama ukuthi there is this person that I love une business opportunity eParis ufuna uhamba nami, but uthi angeke azahambe nami outside the country, angakakhulumanga angakubonanga ngibona ngifamily yami, if anything happens akhona ukuthi uzoreporta kuphi. What I was choosing umama mama athi okay fine, he can come. I didn't even introduce him as a boyfriend. It is a person on a business opportunity. I believe by if you are colleague, because I know what it was strict. This is my colleague. Sizohamba se Perisi une business runner, so uting hamba na yom assist. You be like that. Uti brother sanga be ninking uting introduce like that. I ube in the buti ki colleague yamang ki colleague yaliseo. Daba ifele like that. I also vele sibuya vele eyithi the following weekend athi no, this is the weekend la ngizo-introduce khona abantu basekithi. Awusichozi lo muntu lona asiwangaphi South Africa, abazali bakhe ba outside the country. So kube ukuthi yena sengoba sengimnikeze documentation yami, everything yami involve mina sengimnikile because of he was organizing a trip to Italy for us. So bengimnikeze everything. Sina songithengele namathikithi ukuthi sihambe sobona abazali, everything yakhe paperwork ukuthi sengale uyorganizile. Okay, sharp. But I was just like, I'm just a girl ukuthi like angileke chelete because of more program early ngona chelete like bareva. Ngirobona bayasibhadala imali each and every month. So I'm not lacking ngathi ukuthi indoda ngifuthi ngithengele flight ticket and stuff like that. Uthi ngimbuza ukuthi manje like why ungangiconsult ukuthi ufuna ukungikhipha outside the country so kona abazali bakho. Because I thought ukuthi abazali bakho they're here in South Africa. Athi no, abazali bami ngaphandle. Maybe like mentionel ukuthi asibantu bangapha. Ngirobona. What's okay ngabi nenkingi. Uthi most of the time mina no guy like we do speak English. Sikhuluma English aswangapha vele ngwangaphandle, but I really thought ukuthi abazali bakhe bangapha kulona eMzansi. Shows okay ngingabi nenkinga ngithi okay sihambe ke uthi hayi ufika ngaba ukuthi sihambe vele ifike awushows masifika vele kube ukuthi vele sifika e-airport ukuthi masifika e-airport athi kimi athi make sure ukuthi ubamba izinto zakho kahle because lana izinto ziyalahleka lokho thatha ibag yakho nama important things like ama documents everything usifake ebagini le uzoyigaca then ngapho uzoshiza impahla and stuff like that athi make it a point ukuthi le bag ihlala kuwe like this is your life yabona uthi okay ithi ngianiseta umuntu nakashe like he cares about me with awushows the way khuluma ngakhona vele ngenze ngakhona ngabo ukuthi vele ngiyaphisa and stuff like that uthi vele hayi sihambe vele sifly uthi sifika ngale uthi masifika ngalena ngifind out uthi masifika ngale silenda vele ngifind out ukuthi okay lo muntu lona ohlala ku deep rural ngapha eSouth Africa umuntu onemali and stuff like that uthi maseyikiba umuntu sesihamba ngo-gravel road yazi ohlala ku deep rural uthi ngithawu kanti abantu abazali bakhe bahlala like in town at I know thina si owner like a land farm so like bazali bami they prefer impilo simple so silahlala khona or awusho re tsama naku etelle uthi sifike kube ngathi sigangeni uthi masifika lapha yana vele like it's a land big land uthi sekibo vele uthi like uyabona ngathi abantu abahluphekile manje abantu abahlala la like the house like it doesn't show ukuthi lo muntu lona nama business trips from Italy in things like that uthi like kube ngathi uba red flag number 1 ukuthi hayi man yabona uthi hayi man ungamangali phela lana nasema villages abantu basema villages bathanda simple life abathandi like to show off lona uthi hayi vele ngifike uthi labantu laba bakhuluma foreign language futhi mina I'm not familiar nale foreign language abakhulumayo hayi ubrothers vele afike vele abulise vele hake everyone vele athathe ama bag wethu like traveling bag awama 2 plus nale ngigacile bathi this is your life ugaxa nale ngigaxile uthi vele athathe ama bag wakhe athi baby ngiyobeka ikamareni izinto zethu uyabona uthi vele introduce ahlale phansi uthi le bag ngiyigaxile azange ngimnikeze ubaby ibag yami azange ngimnikeze uthi ngiyigaxile uthi okay babulise ngihlale vele uthi kulo like abantu bayakhuluma ba understand the language engikhuluma English I understand the only person who understand English ilongolo ukuthi engize nayo kulabo uSam uthi hayi vele ucoce hayi uthi lo mama vele sola khuluma useni a translator stuff like that sikhulume sicede or awushozi kube ukuthi vele sokuyadli uthi mina ngithi angilambanga yazi can I go to my room yabona uthi vele usavela mkhombe vele uthi room ethu ikuphi vele uthi ngingale uthi mangifika vele uSam athathe ibag yami athi yazi la emakhaya kunezinkinga zokuthi abantu bangangene basihlasele because bazula ukuthi ngisile because they know ukuthi nginemali ngikhiphe like in a safe place thathe sifake ngapha uthi awushoza ahlaka kwa iSIM card ami asisebenzi fanele ngichange iSIM card completely asisebenzi network provider ayisebenzi fanele ukuthi ngithenge iSIM card uthatha ibag yami ayifake ku this ngithothini ngathi storage container ikhistinyana intweni lokho ufake khona ukuyikhenga iski uthi ayifake lapha lock athi izinto zakho like is important uzosifaka ngapha at each and every time akufuna into ngizokuvulela uthi okay uthi vele kube ukuthi vele mina ngiyakhumula vele nokugezanga vele ngiyalala like ngikhathele ngapha like ngithena wena engayazi ne language engayi-understand what awushows vele kulalo the following day mangivuka vele abantu sebavukile sevele badlile uthi awushows like ngifeel ukuthi hayi mara lana ngathi like I'm not welcomed man lobona uthi anabantu like lona babakhuluma vele bayathula uthi vele ngifike ngithi ngitshela baby ngithi mina yes I think ugcino sibili ekhaya yabona arathamayi because I don't feel comfortable kuba la uthathe why no like there's something in me ukuthi like no I need to go back home I just need to call my parents ngibatshela ukuthi ngikuphi ngicela ukuthi ngikhombe la ukuthi ngikhona iSIM card ngithenga iSIM card and then ngikhona ukufonela igithi ngibatshela ukuthi ngikuphi and then from there sibele ekhaya man I don't feel okay ukuthi ngilana ngisekudeni uthi vele uSam athi angizozwa ngawe wena awushows ngithi angizwanga athi ngithi angizozwa ngawe awuzongicontrol ukuthi ngizidala uginqi isidinqi sakho isilandele angizozwa ngawe you are here and you are here to stay or awushows azange believe ukuthi like 360 athi yangitshela kahle athi you are here and you are here to stay uthi ngalobu uzithethe everything that I own ufake kule box ikhiya iphethe kuye. I don't understand anyone okhuluma accept lo muntu lo ngitshela ukuthi I'm here to stay. Or I was just kibone more, you know what, lana khona la ngiz human trafficking mina myself cause ngisuse ngale ngithwere ke dilo tsaka katla kamo ke nahana re motho o nrata kanti motho o yena ga botsebotse be gafuna go ntshontsha. Or I was choosing ngihlale ukuthi ngiphindele ekamareni uthi mangiphindele mangene ekamareni akhim nyanga angikhilele ekamareni uthi like I screamed my lungs out mfutha labantu laba anabi family yakhe lena umama wakhe lo uthi bancede uthi nobody said anything kwaba ngathi angiscream kwaba ngathi angishaya iminyango kwaba ngathi angihlanye kwathi uthi awushows kuleso sikhathi like athi yabona like emakhaya ukuthi kunjani deep rural athi uthi indlu sekudeni le enye le athi la remote blocking ejwawo utana munga screama ulapha kulamuza I don't think ukuthi umakhelwana uzokuzwa uthi ngascream uthi ngakhala enye into ngicabanga ukuthi umuntu uzongizwela ngivulele athi no ari ngale umuntu angagezanga awushozi akaja cause bathu balake ba understand nokudla bakudla ngo understand uthi ngasikudala like an hour later sengithulile sengikhale ngaze ngakhathala uthi avula umnyango athi are you done uthi ngimbuza ukuthi kanti ngikwenzeni athi no kanti wena ucela ukuthi uyakuphi bucanga ukuthi uyakuphi tell me ukuthi wena bucanga ukuthi uyakuphi athi no I thought ukuthi wena uzo introduce her like to your family athi no this is not my family these are my business associates uyazi umuntu uzokulanda manje and stop screaming awushozi akathapa kaperdi pijama uthi ngasekudala unyango uvuleke ilo muntu ozongilana uthi awushozi bangifaka athi yabona le nto lebayifaka like ema-movie abantu laba bakutshontsha bakufaka yona la ngathi umgusho or ngathi umgodla uthi bangifake yona uthi I think ukuthi ngathi bekuyi pillowcase bangifake yona la uthi bangibomba izandla bangipha izinyawo uthi ngahamba ngangena ebhakini ubhaki or even orini uthi ngangena lapho uthi behamba nje ihlohlohla so ngami ngilele phansi awushozi itsamaya or like itsamaya lesibaka sesitele itsamaya uthi ngisengibone ngayima bavula kungena ilight bangiguga uri bengifile ukuthi bebangibekela uthi bangithatha bangibekala uthi I went to this place engingayazi uthi ngizomnyango uvuleka mayivuleka bangiphonsa phansi bangikhipha le case uthi mangithi ngiyajika amantombazana alele lapha yana phansi or awushozi everyone was on the floor kulwelo lapha yana phansi uthi ulona athi yovana uzomnuko ukuthi la kungena fresh air kunomnuko ukuthi akugezwa kunomnuko ukuthi or awushozi bekile mo bekile or ukhala ngakhala uthi the screaming engascreama ngikhalela ukuthi bangirelease uthi kwaba nenye intombazana yangitshela athi yo uzokhathala stop it uzokhathala kukhala we've been here for over 2 years so uzokhathala just stop crying or awushozi ila ngirealize khona ukuthi no I fucked up azangibheka ama red flags I didn't even check ukuthi umuntu lo ubuya kuphi kanjani uthi the only thing la bengichazela ukuthi ungithengela ama gifts ungisa kuma expensive trips ngazi ukuthi why arineke bona urona no ngithekisise and ngithekisise for free on top of everything nginayo minimal to buy myself expensive things but bengithanda izinto zamahala ne attention evela kusem